Bifold doors. Space-saving, quiet and smooth for closets, pantries, easy installation. Inside the box, you'll find a track and a bag of hardware for installation. A quick guide to install a bifold door. Step 1. Fasten the track at the top of the opening on the header, using long screws provided. Step 2. Insert top pivot pins into pre-drilled holes on top of door. Step 3. Insert the top guide pin into holes on top of door. Step 4. Insert the bottom pivot pin into the hole at the bottom. Step 5. Fasten the jam bracket in line with the track on the jam side of the opening using 1.5-inch screws. Ensure a firm base. Step 6. Install door panels by inserting the top pivot at the pivoting side of the door into the track bracket. Step 7. Position the bottom pivot into a jam bracket on the floor. Step 8. Depress the guide pivot and position it under the track. Step 9. Mount knobs at the center of the guide door, approximately 36 inches from the floor.